Good morning, everyone. We are back here with another video today. And in today's video, I kind of want to talk to you about the importance of knowing the sex of your guinea pigs, why it's very crucial, and why knowing their age can really benefit you. So, oh, I got an itch, sorry. So, we're going to touch several different subjects all within this video, and it might give you mixed opinions or mixed emotions as to whether I might support breeding, why I'm talking about this subject, and we'll get to that later. So meanwhile, I do have my notes in front of me on screen, so I am just going to read from that. If that is all right, let's dive on in. So reasons you should not intentionally breed your guinea pig. Knowing your sex of the guinea pig, knowing their age, it's all important because breeding your guinea pig, there are lots of risks involved. Breeding guinea pigs before 7 months of age is crucial to avoid potential health complications during pregnancy or during delivery. If a guinea pig is not bred before the age of 7 months, their pelvic bones will fuse together, resulting in a less flexible pelvis that can lead to birthing problems due to the size of the pups. The hormone relaxin plays a key role in widening the pelvis during pregnancy, but it's ineffective on a pelvis that's already fused with bone. So delaying breeding until after age 7 months of age increases the risk of dystocia, which is pregnancy complications. It can lead to complications during birth and necessitate veterinary intervention. So in cases where a guinea pig might experience difficulty in delivering babies, prompt medical intervention is absolutely crucial. The use of medications such as oxytocin can help stimulate the uterine contractions, aiding in the delivery process. However, if unsuccessful, then a cesarean section may be necessary, but while this procedure may involve removing the uterus and ovaries, the guinea pig can often still nurse the pups post-surgery, allowing for a successful recovery for both mother and her offspring. Pregnancy toxemia is a critical concern for pregnant sows, particularly those who are overweight during their first and second litters. The exact cause of this illness is still unknown, but symptoms typically manifest in weeks leading up to birth and shortly after delivery. Sows with toxemia exhibit signs such as lack of appetite, weakness, depression, difficulty breathing, which can ultimately lead to a coma or death. Obesity and stress are identified as significant factors in the development of toxemia, underscoring the importance of maintaining the sow at a proper weight throughout the pregnancy to reduce the risk. While treatment may not always be effective, prevention through weight management is key in safeguarding the health of guinea pigs. So let's talk more about dystocia. Dystocia is a serious issue for sows due to the stiffening of the symphysis, SYMPHYSIS, as they age, which can lead to difficulties in labor and endanger the lives of both mother and offspring. Preventative measures such as breeding guinea pigs with a specific age range, separating males and females, or spaying and neutering are crucial to avoid the risk associated with dystocia and ensure that the well-being of the animals. C-sections are not a preferred option due to the high risks involved and low survival rates for the sows. Dystocia in sows can present with symptoms like bleeding, pain, and a stalled labor process. It is often caused by the stiffening of the cartilage that joins the pubic bones, making it difficult for a fetus to pass through the vaginal canal, especially in older sows. Now, if you don't know what any of this means, you can probably just go on YouTube and search up difficulties giving birth, because it's similar with humans. The older you get, the more complications that could arise. Diagnosing dystocia in sow involves a thorough examination of symptoms, potentially imaging tests like x-rays to confirm the condition, especially if the sow has passed the due date without delivering. Now, guinea pig pregnancy in general can be anywhere from 55 to 72 days. This comprehensive approach allows a vet to assess the situation accurately before confirming and treating dystocia appropriately. So, as mentioned before, dystocia in guinea pigs can be prevented by either breeding the female between 4 and 8 months of age, or by preventing pregnancy altogether by housing females and males separately, or by spaying and neutering. Now, with spaying and neutering, as with any surgical procedure, comes its own set of risks. Now, I want you to know that just because we are talking about this subject right now, it does not indicate or mean that I support or promote breeding. If you are a registered ethical breeder that is breeding for the betterment of the species, if you work with ARBA, which is the American Rabbits Breeding Association, if you follow all of their protocol, then that is okay. And I would be interested in learning more about that section involving guinea pigs. But I do not, absolutely do not support backyard breeding. I do not support the idea of, oopsie doodles, I guess I had a male and a female together. I didn't know. I was told it was this gender or this sex. There is so many resourceful videos and platforms out there that give the proper advice on how to indicate whether you have male or female. If you are new to guinea pigs, please do your research prior to getting these guinea pigs, or if you already have them, stop what you're doing, do your research, please. So, we're talking about this video because I was asked during my live the other day if I can do a video talking about the risks involved with breeding or with older sows getting pregnant. So I can personally tell you, when I first adopted Lucy and Savannah, they were only 2 weeks old. Their mama was 2 years old. She successfully delivered all 4 pups. The other 2 went to a different home. But that doesn't mean that all guinea pigs are going to be okay. Genetics play a role. You always got to remember that. But it's not okay to just intentionally breed just because. So, if you are thinking of wanting to breed your guinea pigs, please do further research. Please ask yourself, will it benefit your guinea pig? Because the older the guinea pig is, the more risks are involved with complicated pregnancy. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you have, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to the channel for further amazing content that is educational, sometimes just fun. But yeah, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye-bye.